Clap your hands, it's fun to do. Wave your fingers in the air. Draw the numbers everywhere. On the wall or in the sand. Trace them slowly with your hand. Let's all shout and sing along. Learning numbers makes you strong. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Knock, knock, numbers on the door. See them shining on the floor. Paint them big and shout once more. Write them down beside the shore. Hop and count some more. March and sing, come join the throng. Learning numbers makes you strong. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Build the numbers with your bricks. Roll them out with giant sticks. Magic numbers, fun and quick. Count them gently one by one. Dance around, we're having fun. Jump and sing, come right along. Learning numbers makes you strong. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Draw them near the garden gate. See the numbers shape and spin. Count the flowers, start again. Melo skips and Bello rolls. Counting numbers, reaching goals. Singing loud just like a song. Learning numbers makes you strong. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Time to count them once again. Write them high up in the sky. Reach for stars, go up so high. Jump up high and touch the air. Wave your hands, the numbers are there. Now we know them all along. Learning numbers makes you strong. 1 to 10, let's say it loud. Count it strong and count it proud. MeloBello, sing and play. Let's learn numbers every day. Numbers are fun.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now.